Are you planning a solo hiking trip? Here are my top 10 tips for a successful adventure. 1. Research your route thoroughly before setting out. Familiarize yourself with the terrain, weather conditions, and any potential hazards. 2. Pack light but don't skimp on essentials like food, water, a first aid kit, and navigation tools. 3. Let someone know your itinerary and expected return time. This way, someone will know if something goes wrong. 4. Trust your instincts and listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't be afraid to turn back. 5. Stay hydrated and take regular breaks. It's important to pace yourself and conserve your energy. 6. Be prepared for changing weather conditions. Pack extra layers and be ready for unexpected changes in temperature. 7. Stay on designated trails to minimize your impact on the environment and reduce the risk of getting lost. 8. Practice leave no trace principles by properly disposing of trash and respecting wildlife. 9. Stay alert and aware of your surroundings at all times. Keep an eye out for potential dangers like wild animals or unstable terrain. 10. Finally, enjoy the journey and take time to appreciate the beauty of nature. Solo hiking can be a rewarding and empowering experience if done safely and responsibly. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more outdoor adventure tips and inspiration.